Alright, well, what I'm working on here today is the end-link, sway bar end-link bushings. 99 Yukon. It's a Z71 four-wheel drive. And what you gotta do, well, this is what I do, is I put these straps around it and click these straps all down to hold it in place while I put the new bolt and the new bushing all together on there, because the bolt is too short. And you have to be careful with that, with the threads on there. If you go banging around on the threads, you're going to have lots of problems. Alright, so just be careful with the threads, line it up slowly. Use these ratchet straps to maneuver a little bit, give you some extra thread on the end. You'll have to use a crow's foot up in this hole here, because the head of that bolt is always crooked. You can't get to it, so put a crow's foot in there and hold it, and just turn the nut on top with a opening wrench, and you'll get it together. It's slow, but it works good. All right.